Madam Clerk.
Yes.
So I got two trials. Just want to schedule the date with you.
Okay, what's the name?
Polk, Polk, and Prince.
Oh. Okay, his can be scheduled on March 30th at 9:30.
Okay.
Oh, let me keep track of this. BYEFONE. And then Prince, how many does he have? Prince can also be scheduled for March 30th at 9:30.
Okay, thank you. Now, I also have, there's a guy, Kenny Turner, who's not on the docket. He tells me he was told to come back on the 13th, and he also has a notice for the 18th. So could you just clarify that, make sure it's only the 18th?
Yeah, I looked it up and I'm pretty sure I only saw the 18th. This is arraignment on a bench warrant, so the counter gave him that date. Let me double check.
Okay.
Pretty sure I only saw 18. Now I can't find it. Kenny Lavelle Turner. Yeah, I only see the 18th, and he has drive while license suspended and disregard red signal.
Okay, could you remove the warrant?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's run the SOS since he's here.
Yeah, the warrant was already removed. He got the
Okay.
court date from the first floor.
Can we run
Okay.
an SOS on him?
Yes, and I believe his file, I think I have the 18th in here. I could grab his file.
Okay. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Traffic Court. I'm Judge Ramsey-Heath. You're going to be named and then placed in breakout rooms for an attorney to come and meet with you before I hear your matter. Let's start getting some devices named. I have Parker. I need a full name, please.
Whitney Parker?
First name is Whitney?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, thank you. And then I have Alex. I need a full name, please.
Alex Perez Hernandez.
Perez Hernandez?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, and then I have J Thread or Threat iPhone. I need the full name, please.
Joshua Threat.
Thank you. Okay, and then is it Derail Pulley?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Pulley, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Perez Hernandez, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
And Mr. Threat, same question for you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all going to be placed into breakout rooms for an attorney to come and meet with you. Please do not leave the breakout room. There might be a little bit of a wait. Please just wait. Use the time to gather things if you need to show proof of documents for your cases. All right, Mr. Perez Hernandez, you're going to 11. Mr. Pulley, you're going to 12.
Okay.
Mr. Threat, you're going to 13. And Whitney Parker, you are going to 14.
Okay.
Thank you. I guess she's running the SOS, Mr. Arm.
Okay.
Or Kenny Turner is suspended.
Okay, so he may.
I just want to make sure, see what else he might have in his file.
Okay. Maybe we can deal with him today and he won't have to come back.
Okay, let me double check his files. They're old. They're probably closed.
Okay. Attorney Schaaf, good morning.
Morning.
Are you ready on your matter?
I am.
Okay, very good. Is your client here or are you waiving appearance?
Waiving appearance.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready, would you please call the Brian Schaaf matter? Mr. Arm, I'll let you know when we have more info on that particular case.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay. For David Paul Turner, SP 185-48981, scheduled for pretrial narcotic or drug violation, and SP 185-4899, count 1, scheduled for a hearing, improper right turn.
Thank you. Attorney Schaaf, your appearance, please.
Good morning. For the record, Brian Schaaf on behalf of Mr. Turner, P68271, and I waive my client's appearance.
Thank you. And I understand there's a request to waive appearance, which I'll allow as long as we're just dealing with the civil infraction in terms of resolution or dismissal of a misdemeanor. What are we doing here today?
Well, my client is not in appearance with us as of right now. Whatever the court wants to do, I will get him there.
Well, I guess all I'm saying, Attorney Schaaf, you know, I can't take a plea to a misdemeanor if
No, we're just adjourning the matter.
There we go. Okay, that's what I was getting at. Thank you. Okay, then we will waive client's appearance. And then you just want another pretrial date then?
Please.
Okay, very good. Madam Clerk, let's see. Let me see if I can pull it up.
Our final pretrial date is March 27 at 8:30.
That works for me.
Okay, great. We'll see you back then.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Okay.
We're still waiting for an interpreter for Mr. Patino.
Yes, and for Mr. Kenny Turner, those are the only two matters that we have to deal with. Every other file every other case in his file was closed.
Okay, are they closed through default or just?
They were closed. It was an administrative order.
Okay, very
They
good.
were older matter.
So all he has is the
Drive while license suspended and disregard red signal.
thank you. I know you pulled the file. Is there a plea offer in the file at all?
I don't know if she gave us, there isn't a paper one in here, and I don't know if I received an email with the offers.
Okay, thank you.
I have 12.
So he wouldn't have a court date on the 18th then?
It's scheduled for the 18th.
Gotcha. Oh, he just let him go, I think. Attorney Arm, main session, please. Attorney Arm, main session. How does he even know if he's? All right, Attorney Arm, on that, can you hear me?
Yes.
On that case, the only two matters he has are those that were on the docket for today.
Oh, it's for today? Is it the Kenny Turner was not on my docket?
Okay, well, Madam Clerk told me they were on for today, but at any rate, there are only those two charges that we discussed. So we should be able to resolve it today.
I asked him what to resolve it. He said no. So he said I'll be back on the 18th, if that's okay.
Okay. I mean, he's already gone, right?
Yeah, but he didn't want to resolve it. I guess maybe he's trying to work on
Okay, well, he's gonna try to get his license or something.
yeah,
Okay.
right.
Okay, gotcha. All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
device that says Zoom user, good morning.
Hi, good morning. My name's
you?
David Turner.
Thank you, Mr.
Uh,
Turner.
Yes, Judge Ramsey, is it?
That's me. Yep, you found
Hi.
me. Hi,
Okay.
good morning. All right,
Good. I was having a problem this morning with the Zoom, so.
that's okay. It can be tricky. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and do you know who that attorney was?
Yeah, Brian,
Shay, that was the attorney that just left.
Oh, okay. He just got you a new date, a date to come back.
Did he?
What date was that, Madam Clerk?
March 27 at 8:30.
Okay.
So you can log in the exact same way you did here. He asked for an adjournment after speaking with the city attorney. So whatever they discussed, he decided you guys needed some more time. I'll let you follow up with him about that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And then you just zoom back in here the same time, same time on that date.
Say the date again, please.
27th.
27th, same
Uh-huh.
time. Okay, thank you so much. You
You're
have a
very
good night.
welcome. Okay, bye-bye.
27th. 27th.
Hey, Ms. Horn.
Hi, Judge. Thank you so much. I did give Mr. Ferry, and I'll extend that also to other House counsel, unless it's a revoked license, which would be an FTD.
Okay.
If their license is not valid, the people are offering and allowing on everything today.
Okay, so unless revoked,
Which would be a FTD,
revoked equals STD,
and all others and allowing.
all others equal allowing. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you. So that would have been an allowing on that last case that he was released.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can change it.
I mean, he released the client. He released his
Oh.
client without, so I don't know.
Yeah, we actually, me and Mr. Ferry just talked about that. So I wanted to come in and just
Yeah.
let the court know.
I appreciate it. No, we had one we were trying to figure out because he was, he came today, but then he had another date on the 18th. License was still suspended, so he wants to try to get his license back before the 18th. But I was like, we could have at least
Got rid of it, yeah. But
or
he's coming
presented
back the
presented
18th?
the offer to him, to see if he
Yeah.
wanted to resolve it in that way. I don't know, but I guess he'll be back on the 18th.
Oh, good, good. Well, I'll keep that for that day. What's his name?
Do you remember his name, Madam Clerk? The one that
Kenny Turner.
Okay. Oh, good. So he didn't take a plea. Okay, good. Okay.
No, he didn't. He's going to try to get his license, so that's great if he can do it. But it's only
Yeah.
5 days from now, so I don't know.
Okay.
And if you're offering non-driving offenses, that's certainly something that we want to let him know.
Okay. All right, and I'll put 318 return.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just gonna swoop into the other courtroom really quickly.
Understood.
Okay, I'll see you in a minute, guys.
Okay, thanks.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
need a trial date for Darrell Pulley.
Okay. Rail pulley. He only had one, so he can have March 30th at 9:30.
Okay, thank you.
Or I got 2 more.
All right, we're going to bring Mr. Perez. We're going to bring Mr. Perez Hernandez out, Madam Clerk.
Okay.
And then we're going to be ready on John Mel Taylor as well. We have Mr. Taylor whenever you are ready.
Okay.
Morning, Mr. Morning.
I'm doing all right. How you doing this morning?
I'm good, thanks. All right, Madam Clerk.
For John Mel Kawan Taylor, SX 4645108, count 2, no operator's license on person.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Taylor. Once again, just state your name for the record, please.
Jamel Taylor.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to the single count of allowing an unlicensed person to operate your vehicle with any other charges being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
When you say promise, you mean like threat?
Well, but we'll get to that part. Yes. So the first question is,
Okay.
did anyone promise you anything I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today? They tell you they're going to give you baseball tickets or make sure you don't get any tickets in the future?
No, no, Your
All right.
Honor. No.
Did anybody force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything I'm going to tell you today is the truth.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location, please?
January 11, 2026, M8 and Joseph Campo.
Mr. Taylor, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Your fine's going to be $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. Get the fine paid off in full, or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and give them a down payment to begin a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this deal remains in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Madam Interpreter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good to see you this morning. I'll go ahead and just swear you now. Name and qualifications for the record, please.
Gloria Guerra Vigen, GUERRA-VIEGEN. I'm an accredited interpreter, Spanish interpreter from my agency.
Thank you. This court is very familiar with the high quality and frequency of your work for the court. I do find you qualified to interpret today. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English.
I do.
Thank you. You can
Thank
put your hand down. You are needed in room 3. You have co-hosts sending you to room 3 now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, when you are ready, good morning, Attorney Carpenter.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you co-host. I've got a couple things I'm taking care of, and then if you need me, I'll be with you, okay?
Okay, can I also get an SOS check on Keith Paul?
On who?
Keith Paul.
Okay, we'll run that for you when we get a moment. Madam Clerk,
Okay,
would you
thank you.
please call either Brady Pearson or Alex Perez Hernandez?
I'm here.
Okay, for Alexander Perez Hernandez, SP 1863247, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor and tinted windows.
Thank you. Mr. Perez Hernandez, please turn on your camera. Thank you. Good morning. And unmute. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, state your name for the record.
Alexander Perez Hernandez.
Thank you. Mr. Perez Hernandez, please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
I swear, but nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Where's your proof of insurance?
Right here.
Go ahead and hold it up to the camera where I can see it. Okay, very good. You can put that down. Thank you. And now, Mr. Perez Hernandez, you offered to try to come back tomorrow where you could walk me out to your vehicle to see that the tent had been removed. I said instead I would take your sworn testimony. So you've already been sworn, all right? Is it your sworn testimony that you have removed the tent from the windows on your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And how did you have that done?
I have a friend that does tents, and I asked him a favor to take him off.
All right. Thank you. All right. Your tickets are dismissed, Mr. Perez Hernandez. Have a good day.
Thank you, you as well.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I've got Mr. Brady Pearson.
Yes.
Whenever you're ready, Madam Clerk, on Brady Pearson.
Okay. For Brady Stephen Oliver Pearson, SP 1862237, counts 1 and 2, registration and or plate violations, civil, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you, Mr. Pearson. Please state your name for the record.
Brady Pearson.
Thank you. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid documents and made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, who do I have there at the CJC, please?
Good morning, Mark Anthony Putek,
Would you spell your last name for me, please, sir?
Putek.
All right. I'm going to need to get Mr. Putek into a breakout room. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, sir, so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Okay. I see you are in custody. They'll be able to ask me for credit time served on your behalf if you want them to do so. All right. I'm going to put you in breakout room number 4. Please go ahead and hit join. Someone will be right with you.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting, but I'm on my phone this morning and it doesn't show what room Keith Paul is in.
Okay, I know that, and I'm going to help you. I just need to take care of a couple of
okay,
things.
that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. All right. Now, you are looking for Keith Turner, you said, or Kevin Turner?
Keith Paul.
Keith Paul. Sorry about that. Keith Paul. I'm not seeing him in a room, actually. I don't think he's checked in yet.
Okay, I can go ahead and give him a call.
Okay, thank you. House counsel, please be aware, interpreter is now here. The interpreter matter is ready for House counsel. All right, Attorney Taylor, good morning to you.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay, I have Tommy Lee Taylor. I haven't been able to contact him because he doesn't have a phone. He was here last time, so hopefully he'll show up this time.
Okay, I don't have him here yet, but as soon as he gets here, we'll deal with that.
Okay.
You want to go to breakout room 2 for city attorney?
That'll be fine. Okay.
I don't know if she's in there right this minute, but she'll be back.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Sending you to room 2. All right. Officer Burley, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm here for what is the name?
I can rename them.
All right, thank you. And then on the iPhone, sir, good morning. What's your name? Go ahead and unmute for me.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lonnie Taylor.
Lonnie Taylor, thank you.
I had I had court yesterday, but I had to go to the 3rd Judicial Court too. So I had 2 court days.
Okay, give me just a second so we can make sure they have everything they need for your file before I send you back to breakout, okay?
Okay.
All right, Officer Burley, sending you to breakout room number 1 for city attorney.
All right, thank you.
Officer Hill, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Kendra Terry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Okay, now Lonnie Taylor, you said you were here yesterday.
Yeah, I had court yesterday, but I also had to be in person at the 3rd Judicial Court too.
Okay.
So, I had 2 court days scheduled at the same time.
Okay, that's okay. I just need to pull the stuff up from yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. All right, let's take a look at yesterday's docket.
Lonnie Taylor the 3rd, correct?
Yes.
He was scheduled for a pretrial. The only case we have is no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay. Just yes or no, Mr. Taylor, do you have proof of insurance today?
Yes.
Wonderful. Madam Clerk, would you call the matter?
Yes. And also the warrant was already issued.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Taylor, I'll let you ask me to withdraw your warrant. Go ahead, Madam Clerk, we'll get that done.
Lonnie Taylor III, SP 184-72361, no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Lonnie Taylor III.
Thank you. A warrant was issued when you did not appear for court yesterday. Would you like to ask the court to remove that warrant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we will do that, and then you're going to show me your insurance. I'm going to highlight you so I can see. Give me just a second. Okay, you can go ahead and put that down. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, sir, your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Attorney Arm?
Yeah, I need the prosecutor to discuss Mr. Putek. Do you know where he is?
She is, Ms. Horn. She may be in Perkins courtroom, but she did have kind of a blanket offer today. So let's see what are his charges?
4 for review. The only one left is a syringe charge.
Okay. All right. And I did tell him he could seek time served since he is in custody.
He's actually served 11 months, Judge.
Okay, well, not on this stuff,
He
but
claims just for misdemeanors. That's shocking.
well, I don't know who did that. It wasn't me. But he can ask me for time served. So I know you're saying you want us to talk to city attorney. Just let him know that the court is amenable to time served for him. Okay.
So he knows that. I'm gonna actually she did send me maybe it's here.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Taylor. Oh, he left again. Omer Perry, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
Amazing. How about yourself, young lady?
I'm great, thank you. Let's see, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, ma'am.
All right, then I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to go to room, I'm going to put you in room 5. Go ahead and hit join. Looks like we're ready on Keisha Thornton next, Madam Clerk, and then Mr. Arm. You looking for me?
No, actually, I'm gonna go to the breakout room.
I'm going to move Mr. Threed up to 7 because I think he's getting missed or threat. So I want to move him up. Yeah, would you just take a look at all the breakout rooms again? Make sure there's no one in any of yours because they're moving. I've moved around a little bit.
Sure.
Thank you. I've tried to keep odds with odds and evens to evens.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Arm has gone back into your breakout room, Mr. Putek. I'm not sure how you ended up out here.
Oh, he just,
Did you press a button or something?
yeah, I didn't think he was coming back.
Okay, so I need you to then look at the device and see if there's a way to go back to your breakout room, return to breakout room, because the attorney is there waiting for you. And then, Madam Clerk, when you're ready on Keisha Thornton, Mr. Attorney Taylor, which case were you looking for?
I was looking for the prosecutor. Actually, have Thomas Taylor. Every time I got ready to go there, somebody called me. So what room is she in?
Well, she's normally in 2 to speak with attorneys. Let me see if you want to know if there's an offer in your matter. I may be able to help you.
Yes, Tommy Taylor.
And just so you know, he is here in person.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I will come down there. No problem.
Okay, great. Is there an offer? Well, we didn't get offers. I need to know what the charges are. What's the charge?
Reckless driving.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. I'll come down. No problem.
Okay, thank you. She may be in Perkins courtroom. I don't know. Zoomed in there. Okay. All right. We're ready on Miss Thornton when you're ready, Madam Clerk.
For Keisha Monique Thornton, SP 1861429, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Thornton. Please unmute and state your name for the record.
Hello, Keisha Thornton.
Thank you. And Ms. Thornton, I understand that you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of improper plates with everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes. They said I had a violation for no insurance, but when I parked in ballet, I didn't know they came around and actually looked for somebody to have no insurance. So I was just questioning that.
Yeah,
I'm not
well,
saying I'm not guilty, but
yeah,
I did
I
drive
don't
the car
know.
downtown.
That's new to me too. Something to
So
think about.
I'm not saying he's talking about taking the trial. I'm like, I don't want to go to trial.
Right.
Because
You're just
I'm
surprised that they were
guilty
looking.
of
Yeah.
not having no insurance. I'm just not sure. In ballet, somebody was walking around giving tickets for no insurance.
Yeah, that's very interesting. I wonder how they're doing that. Okay.
I don't know.
All right. But at
So,
any rate, we're going to reduce the no insurance to improper plates, and then anything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
yes. Now the improper place is for the insurance, correct?
Right. It's just substituting for the no insurance because it's a reduced charge. So
Okay.
what makes the plate improper is not having insurance. That's
Okay.
the logic of it. Okay.
Okay.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
February 8th, 2026, Clifford and Woodward.
Ma'am, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you had operated a vehicle without a proper plate due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things. You may pay it off in full within the 60 days, or if you need more time, come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. Tell them you need a longer term payment plan and give them the down payment to start that plan within the 60 days. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains intact, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning on the iPhone. Please unmute and give me a name.
Good morning, Stacy Perkins.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Ms. Perkins?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room to speak with an attorney before I hear your matter. You're going to
Okay.
go to room 8. Please go ahead and hit join.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Carpenter, tell me your client's name again.
Keith Deontay Paul.
I still don't think that person is checked in. No.
Okay. I do have to be in another courtroom right now. Do you know how long Keith Paul has to check
What's the
in?
charge on what's his charge?
Let me pull it up. I know it's reckless driving, disregarding a red light, no insurance. I think driver's license was revoked.
Okay. So, all right, give me just a second. Mr. Putek, is that who I've got at CJC?
Yeah.
Well, I just want to make sure it's the same person. All right.
Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, sorry.
All right, Mr. I'm sending Mr. Putek.
This isn't Mr. Putek. This is an Eddie Preston.
Thank you. That's what I was concerned about. Okay. All right, thank you. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that the attorney can come to meet with Mr. Preston before I hear the matter. Sending to room 9. Please go ahead and join there. Okay, Attorney Carpenter, I understand you're saying your client is still not here. I usually give them till the end of court, but I can have him come back tomorrow, or if you need another pretrial date, I can give you a pretrial date because you're going to need to speak with Ms. Horn, and she's not.
Just so you know, tomorrow is Saturday. Do you mean Monday?
Okay, you want to, well, I mean, you're going to have to be able to get in your touch with your client prior to Monday and make sure that he knows to be here. Are you in contact with him?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Madam Clerk, can you set Mr. Paul for Monday, please?
Okay, keep Paul for Monday.
Okay, so you can deal with it you can handle it on Monday, Attorney Carpenter.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.
Yep, yes, sir.
Okay.
Monday.
Because we don't have any offers today, so it's gonna take a minute. All right, let's see. Well, we have a lot of offers, actually. I shouldn't say that. We have blanket offers, but I don't have particular specific offers on that case. All right, we got our interpreter in there.
I need these files from the jail. It came from judge, because I'm like, Christina, do you have the 2 files? Who is it? Preston and Putet? Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, bye. Connor, I need to run over and check my mailbox because those jail ones, they were put on last minute.
Okay. I'll deal with
the files are in my mailbox because I don't have them. I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
Madam Clerk?
She had to go grab a couple of files, Attorney Arm. Do you need something?
Okay. Stacy Perkins wants a trial date, but she has other cases as well. So I wanted to know which date they should give her.
Okay. Let's see what she's using today. Give me just a minute. Looks like C clerk. That's all I have is C clerk.
Yeah, March 30th is for the single one case, but this could be several cases.
Okay, it sounds like she's just coming back in, so give us a minute.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, Attorney Arm needs a trial date for Stacy Perkins, who apparently has some other matters as well that aren't on today's docket.
For Stacy Perkins?
In room 8.
Okay, she is gonna get the last one for March 30th at 9:30.
Okay.
And then would you jump in and help Mr. Ferry? He's stuck in an interpreter matter that seems to be taking longer and his rooms are getting backed up. So
where should I go?
Room 5 after you deal with Miss Perkins would be helpful.
No problem. We'll do.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Morning, Your Honor.
Hey, Tompkins, how you doing this morning? Good.
This one, she there. Leaves on.
Right, let's see. We've got Ms. Perkins. Good morning, Ms. Perkins.
Good morning.
Did you get your date and time to come back for trial?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, very good. We'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, beautiful.
Bye-bye. Attorney Art?
Judge Omer, yeah, Judge Omer Perry wants an attorney appointed, so I have the information.
Okay.
It'll be a pretrial.
Yep, it'll be a pretrial, the next pretrial date at 9:15.
Okay, March 27th at 9:15.
And we'll take his
And
info
then
from you when you're done.
Okay, so I can let him go?
Yep. Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, looks like we're going to be setting a bench trial on Mr. Patino.
Okay.
Jose Patino and Gloria Began, please return to main session. Thank you. All right. Madam Interpreter, I'll ask you to begin interpreting. Good morning, Mr. Patino.
Good morning.
Buenos días, señor Patino.
Looks like we're going to be setting a bench trial date in your matter.
Parece que vamos a agendar una fecha para un juicio con juez en su causa.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, could you please provide us with the bench trial date for Mr. Patino?
A la Secretaría Judicial, por favor, ¿nos podría proveer con una fecha para un juicio con juez para el señor Patino?
March 31 at 9:30.
El día 31 de marzo a las 9:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Please zoom in just as you did today.
Por favor, presentes en la plataforma Zoom como lo hizo el día de hoy.
Okay.
Have a good day, Mr. Patino. Have a good day, Madam Interpreter, and thank you for your services.
Thank you. Tenga buen día, señor Patino, y gracias por sus servicios a la intérprete. Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
Gracias.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Good morning,
Attorney
Judge.
Barry, good morning.
Good morning. I was just asking, I heard, Madam Clerk, were you calling me into the main courtroom or did I hear that wrong?
I was calling the interpreter case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, you took care of it, obviously. Thanks, Judge. I'm going to get
Sure
back.
thing. I asked Attorney Arm to kind of jump in and help you too, because I knew you were doing the interpreter matter.
Mm-hmm.
We do have a CJC matter in room 9. Looks like, and then there's room 7. Okay. You want me to have Mr. Arm do room 9? Are you
Miss
dealing?
Keisha, I'm sorry, Your Honor. The person in breakout room 9. Oh, wait a minute. You may.
Yep. I don't know. I haven't checked in Officer McClure yet, if that's who you're looking for. Officer McClure, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on Terry.
I'm sorry. I have a lot of Terrys. Which, can I get a first initial?
K. Excuse me.
Thank you. Oh, okay. I think there are other officers here on that matter. Going to go ahead and get you into room 1, okay?
Okay, thank you.
City Attorney will be there.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. You said in room 9. I see. I can't really make out what this is about. CJC.
It's someone zooming in from the jail. His name is Eddie Preston.
Oh, okay. I'll take care of that right now, Judge.
Okay. And are you dealing with Joshua Threat as well?
Yeah, he just came on board. I was just in the middle of talking to him when I thought you were calling me in.
Okay. All right. I'll let you get back to that. Thank you.
Judge Humphrey, you got any rooms?
If 9 would be great. That's the CJC room. So if you want to grab that one, that would be helpful. Oh, he just went in there. So I guess he's going to try to do them both.
Okay.
Okay. Officer Ayala, good morning. I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1.
Good morning. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
What's going on with Mr. Putek, Attorney Arm?
Waiting for the prosecutor.
Have you sent her a text or called her?
Yeah, I called her.
Okay. Does she know you're waiting? You were able to reach her?
I just left a message.
Okay, thanks. Let's see if I can send her a text. Good morning, Miss Terry. Give me just one moment.
I can hear you.
I'm the one who was muted. So sorry. Okay. I was sitting here asking you to unmute. Thank you. All right. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get you into breakout room. I know you're here for, with trial scheduled today. You do have a few officers that have checked in on the matter. Mr. Arm, would you mind, going in to talk with Miss Terry, please?
Okay, room what?
I'm gonna place her in room 3. I've let Ms. Horn know that we do need her back.
Okay, I'll be
All
there.
right. Attorney Ferry?
Yes, Your Honor, if I may, that gentleman in breakout room, I think it was 9, Eddie Preston, the jailer.
Yep.
I don't see him on the docket.
They were added last minute, so let's see what we can find out. Madam Clerk, can you tell Mr. Ferry?
8:35.
Okay, he's on at 8:35. Thank you.
Well, for the life of me, Your Honor, I don't see him unless
Okay, let me see if I'm finding him, because sometimes the dockets are different. You said 8:35, Madam Clerk?
Yes, they were added from Judge Holmes' courtroom. I don't know what day. I think it said yesterday. So
I'm just saying, I
what?
don't see him on my docket either. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, it's an updated docket.
Okay, I don't have that.
Well, yeah, Your Honor, that's correct. I received the docket yesterday, and then I received the docket from your court clerk early this morning, and he is added on the new docket.
Okay.
So I'll take care of him. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
And
thank
I
you,
let
Madam
him
Clerk.
know that court is amenable to time served.
Okay, that sounds great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I don't see him on my docket, but that's okay. And you waiting on an offer on Mr. Threat in room 7?
Hold on a second, Judge. Let me make sure well, actually, yeah, oh, yeah, I haven't, yeah, there was no offer made, so I'm gonna have to speak to the city.
Okay, do you know what the charges are as to Mr. Threat?
He's got 32 tickets, Judge.
Oh, he's probably going to want to set for trial then, I would imagine. Okay.
Well, I can try and resolve it today if the court has time.
Okay, fine with me. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it depends a lot on what the offer is going to be, but I'll try and take care of everyone ASAP.
Understood. Okay, thank you, Attorney Ferry. I appreciate that always. Thank you.
Oh, you're more than welcome, Judge. Your Honor, if you're there.
I am here.
Your Honor, regarding the jailer, Mr. Preston.
Yeah.
He's actually here for a review on 3 tickets.
Okay.
And he's been in custody since this middle of December.
Okay.
I don't think he's on probation, but I don't think he has a probation officer. I could be wrong, but I just wanted to let you know he's here for some review. I don't know if you want.
Okay, we'll take a look and see if it's a delayed sentence or a probation sentence.
In the meantime, do you want me to bring him out or?
No, give me just a minute to try to figure out what's going on there. Give me a minute.
Okay.
All right,
I'll
Daryl. Uh-huh.
I'll rename him in the meantime. So.
All right, thank you. Daryl Phillips, good morning. I'm sending you to a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Looks like I've got rooms 7 and 9 going now. I'll send you to room 6. I'm gonna send Mr. Phillips to room 6, Attorney Arm.
Okay.
Thank you. Mr. Phillips, please join breakout room number 6. And then did we send the offer on Putek to Mr. Arm? Madam Clerk?
Oh, that wasn't an offer. I was just.
Oh, you're just sending me the file. Okay, thank you. I
Yeah,
thought it's an offer. Daryl Phillips, I need you to unmute, please. Daryl Phillips. Okay, and then Madam Clerk, can you take a look at the Eddie Preston file since you've got it now, right?
Yes, I'm trying to figure it out myself.
Okay. I'm gonna pull up the ROA too.
Yeah, I think I need help with this.
Okay, I'm pulling up the ROA. Is he on your updated docket sheet?
Yes.
Can you please send me the updated docket sheet?
Yes, it was.
I got one from you this morning. Let's see.
That's the updated one.
Okay. All right. What time was Mr. Preston scheduled for?
8:35.
All right. There he is. Okay. So these were most likely delayed sentence reviews?
No, they came from Judge Holmes' courtroom.
And she wants a review. Okay, then I need to know what he was supposed to do. So I do need the ROA.
That's the part I'm not
Right.
quite understanding.
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. All right. Scheduled for review, referred back to Ramsey-Heath, scheduled for review, warrant canceled, review held. Proceeding held, defendant failed to appear. Okay. Review held, bond continued. Well, this is not really helping me. All right, so this was pled down to a disorderly, it looks like. No dollar amount set. All right, I got to figure this out. Hold on. Okay, Mr. Preston, I'm trying to understand what's happening with your matter. I need just a moment. Did you return yourself to the main courtroom?
Yeah, because Mr. Arm said I'm supposed to go to the courtroom because I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't speak to him.
Okay, I think you're talking about maybe Attorney Ferry, but I need you to wait in your breakout room because we're trying to understand. Maybe you can help me before you go. Give me just a minute. Corporal Bennett, which case are you here on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Kendra Terry.
Okay. She is here. There are other officers here. I think City Attorney may be around too now.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and send you to room 1 to meet with her.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Preston.
Yes, ma'am.
We're trying to understand where you are and what Judge Holmes wanted you to do.
Okay.
Do you
I'm
remember
go-
what, do you
I'm
think
go-
you remember what you were supposed to do?
I'm gonna go from the beginning.
Okay.
I caught 3 tickets and I got arrested for another charge for shoplifting in Myers. When I go in Mound, I go to the court, to the judge. The judge he gave me a personal bond for him and a personal bond for Judge Holmes. But on the way out of the jail, they sent me 3 tickets for Judge Holmes and put me right back in the jail and so gave me to her. I guess I signed up with Judge Holmes and I went to treatment.
Okay.
I was there for a month. Then I went for a 3-quarter house for a month. Then a couple days later, I got arrested. They said, like my tendon was, they thought my tendon was cut off, which was still on my ankle. So I go to treatment. I go to sobriety house. No, that's I did sobriety house. And then so they arrested me and brought me here. I did the 90 days here.
They arrested you at sobriety house?
No. On the job I was working, they arrested me.
Okay.
Now, that's the first time. So after I did the 90 days here, I get back out and go back to sobriety house. I'm there over a month. Then I go to get my medication from Team Wellness on Mac and Mount Elliott. As I'm waiting for my ride to come pick me up, I walk to the store and get me some crazy glue. On the way back, they arrested me again. They said I was escaping from Elmer's home, which I was never there.
Okay.
Then when I came back here, I talked to the lady at the court. She said, "Oh no, you was running from Share House. I was never there." So I've been here since 19th of December. And nobody's talked to me anything.
On these 3 disorderly conduct tickets?
Yeah, nobody ever talked to me about disorderly conduct ticket.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm going to ask you to go ahead back to your breakout room, Mr. Preston.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
To the deputy. All right. See if you can, I just need him to return to the breakout room to meet with his attorney.
So, Your Honor, I do believe this is, he's out of Judge Holmes's program now.
Yeah.
And returns to the alpha judge.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. So Mr. Ferry, you're essentially dealing with Mr. Preston on 3 counts of disorderly conduct. He's been in for 30 days. If he is interested, given all that he's told me, court would be amenable to, has he been there 30 days, deputy?
Yeah. I'll have to double check, but I think, for violating the program, she gave him 90 days, actually.
90 days. Okay. Thank you. And he's been there I just need to know how long he's been there now.
December 19th. Since December 19th.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Uh-huh.
All right. So, Mr. Ferry, if you would meet with Mr. Preston in the breakout room, that's what the court would be amenable to. I can really do 10 days on each charge with credit for time served.
Yes, Your Honor. And before I do that, though, if I see Ms. Horn's back, if I could maybe speak to her briefly.
Sure. Why don't you guys go ahead to room 2?
Thank you.
Mr. Arm, Ms. Horn's going to room 2.
Okay, Judge, Mr. Phillips was not in room 6. I never met with him.
Well, I don't know what happened. Let's see.
Then we will break up room.
He may have clicked off. I don't know that I was getting a response, but I did tell him to go to room 6. So we need a SOS on Joshua Threat, please, Madam Clerk, in room 7. And then for Mr. Preston, you're going to go ahead back to your breakout room, and then Mr. Ferry will be back there to talk to you. He wanted to see the city attorney for some reason.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So yep, you can take him back to the breakout room, deputy, if you see how to do so on the device. If not, I'll have to move you guys. All right. I will move you. I'm going to move you to room 5.
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead and hit join there, please. And then, Madam Clerk, let me know when you get an SOS back on Joshua Threat, please.
Okay, Judge, we want to speak to Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you.
Joshua Threat is valid.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. You said he is valid?
Yes.
All right, let's see what he's got going on. Oh boy, he's got lots. Oh, this is the one that has 33 tickets or something like that. Okay. All right, well, he's got a valid license at this point, so that'll help him. Looks like the attorneys are in with Ms. Horn now, so we'll just wait for them to come back out.
Okay.
Your Honor, if you're there. You're muted, Judge.
Yep,
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. Your Honor, I took care of Mr. Preston. I wasn't sure to bring him out. But
Yep,
he's
here he is.
gonna, if I may, Judge, just an explanation. He's going to plead to one disorderly conduct and the city will dismiss the other two. Is that okay?
Well, I mean, it's okay. What I'm wondering about is if it's going to require a plea withdrawal, given that he was already in Judge Holmes's courtroom and given 90 days on these charges.
Oh, I didn't quite understand that part.
Okay.
Well, and if that's the case, Your Honor, would the court accept a plea of no contest based upon the age of the tickets on all three?
I would, and
Okay.
as long as it's okay with city attorney, I will accept that. And then, as I said, we can do time served, you know what I mean? So,
Sure.
Yeah.
okay. All right. So, Mr. Preston,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to try to explain to you what that means, which
Okay.
is, a plea to no contest is basically saying the ticket is really old. I can't exactly remember.
Okay.
The government says they got what they've got. I'm not disputing that. It has the same effect as a guilty plea, but we've already told Mr. Fury that, you're going to have credit for time served on your charge.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll bring it on.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Preston matter? Mr. Putek, I see you there. Okay.
Your Honor, I just need you really quick to look at your message.
Okay. I think I saw your text message.
And then go,
Charlie.
and then go from there. Are we setting these aside?
Well, the problem is, this is the issue, right? Procedurally, a guilty plea has been issued in Judge Holmes's courtroom. And so now what we have to do is she has sent it back for sentencing. I guess she's sentenced to 90 days, right? So she's sentenced to 90 days. That's what I'm trying to understand, Madam Clerk. You got me into this. So,
Yeah,
all right.
I'm trying to understand, because it's mentioned 90 days, but it's not saying that's what it's sentenced to,
Correct. So that's where we're getting hung up. So really what we're here for is sentencing on the guilty pleas that were entered because he's no longer in drug treatment court. So what I will do is I will take, we'll call the matters. We actually, Mr. Ferry, won't have him plead no contest. He's already pled guilty. All right. We'll call the matters and then the court will sentence him as a result of being referred back from treatment court. What I'm going to do is I'm going to impose a sentence of 10 days on each charge with credit for time served.
That's no objection, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, would you go ahead and call the Preston matters, please?
Okay. So we have you 715-14325, loitering in a place of illegal occupation. SP 155-33401, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. And SP 155-3591, count one, loiter in a place of illegal occupation.
Thank you. And for the record, these are all City versus Eddie Preston. All of those charges were reduced in front of Judge Shannon Holmes to disorderly conduct, where we are showing through the Register of Actions that Mr. Preston did plead guilty to 3 counts of disorderly conduct. He was then referred back here as a result of being removed from treatment court. Mr. Ferry.
Yes, Gerald Ferry, House Counsel P44630 on behalf of Mr. Preston. Your Honor, I would ask the court, my understanding is my client has been in custody at the Wayne County Jail since approximately December 17th, 2025. That's a little under 90 days. I would ask the court to apply credit for time served.
All right, thank you. The court will apply. So again, just so the record is clear, in the future, Register of Action shows that Mr. Preston did already plead guilty to these 3 charges. He was originally sentenced in treatment court, but having, under Judge Holmes' opinion, having failed to fulfill the requirements of that sentence, was referred back here. This court, and due to removal from the program, Mr. Preston has given me some pretty lengthy explanations this morning about various treatment programs that he has been in. And as well as some mistakes that he thinks were made as to his tether, but at least he has told me in detail about some various treatment programs that he's been in prior to even going into the jail. At this time, because he's no longer in treatment court, this court is going to impose a sentence of 10 days jail time for each of the 3 disorderly conduct charges for a total of 30 days with credit for time served.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Preston.
Yes, ma'am.
Please state your name for the record, just so it's clear that you were here.
Eddie Preston Jr.
All right, thank you. You've got 10 days on each charge, credit for time served, so you should be all done.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Deputy.
Thank you, John.
All right, so I've got Mr. Putek here, and did you speak with Mr. Arm? Okay, we need to get you unmuted. And then you see on Mr. Threat, he's valid, Mr. Ferry. All right, did you speak with Mr. Arm?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he send you back out?
My officer had brought me out.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put you back because he's in there talking to city attorney about something, okay?
All right.
All right, I am going to go ahead and get you into breakout room. Good morning, Attorney Taylor. I see you there.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Putek, I'm sending you back to room 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead and join. I can tell he's talking to the city attorney right now. Okay, Mr. Taylor, which case are we on?
Tommy Lee Taylor, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you ready for me to call it?
I am.
All right, and I know Mr. Taylor was there in person at some point today. Is he still there?
He's right here, Your Honor.
Okay, I just can't see him. Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, would you call the matter? Good morning, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning.
Tommy Lee Taylor, SP 1857218, count 1, reckless driving.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57-166, appearing on behalf of Tommy Lee Taylor. Would you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Tommy Taylor. I'm a 70-year-old former Marine. Okay, that's good.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Taylor. All right, Attorney Taylor.
Your Honor, Mr. Taylor, like the elder said for the people's offer, is going to be reduced from reckless driving, a 6-point offense, to failure to practice due care at a 2-point offense. Yeah. Failure to use due care.
Is that a utility vehicle or just straight failure to use due care?
Yes, utility vehicle.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor, please, Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Tommy Lee Taylor.
Thank you. And you heard the offer your attorney just said you were going to accept. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone
Yes, ma'am.
promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes. Yes, indeed.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And we're actually, this is a civil infraction, so all of that right to a trial is out the window, but you would have the right to a formal hearing, okay, if you wish to have one, where the government would still have to come and prove their case to a certain standard. All right, I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand, please, and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Attorney Taylor, I'm going to ask you to establish the factual basis. Madam Clerk, would you please provide the date and location?
January 22, 2026, Eastside Drive in Mount.
Thank you.
On that date, Mr. Taylor, were you driving your car?
Yes, sir.
And that is your opinion, do you think you were driving your car in a reckless manner?
Yes.
Satisfied, y'all.
All right, thank you. Okay. Due care and caution, utility vehicle is going to be the entry. I'm looking for the cost on that one.
It's a misdemeanor, Your Honor.
Okay, then we do have to do that. All right. Okay, so then we're gonna set this one at 190. Mr. Taylor, you have 60 days to pay it. Uh-oh, did you have a question for me?
No, he was telling me he needed time to pay. 60 days is good.
Okay, so here's the two options, Mr. Taylor. You've got 60 days to do one of two things with the $190. Pay it off in full in the 60 days, or you can stop downstairs, see the cashiers on the first floor, and ask them for a longer term payment plan if you need one. They'll tell you they want a down payment. Just give them the down payment within the next 60 days to start your payment plan, and all of this will stay in place.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay? All right, you're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you, Attorney Taylor. Good to see you.
Thank you.
All right, we've got Keandra Terry who's come out. Good morning again.
Good morning.
Did Mr. Arm send you out here? Keandra Terry, did I see Daniel Arm, the attorney, is in room 3. Did he ask you to come out?
Yeah, he told me to come back out.
Okay, very good. All right, looks like he's out here with us now. You ready on Miss Terry?
Yes,
Yes.
Judge.
All right, let's get the officers out here. Attention, officers on the Keandra Terry matter. Officers on the Keandra Terry matter, please return to the main session. All officers on the Keandra Terry matter, please return to the main session. Just waiting for one more officer, guys. Officer Burley. There we go. All right, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Keandra Terry matter?
For Keandra Larita Terry, SP 184-1428, counts 1, 2, and 3, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. All City versus Keandra Terry. Attorney Arm, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Judge Daniel Arm, P61807, on behalf of Ms. Terry. Ms. Terry, please state your full name.
Keandra Terry, Keandra Larita Terry.
Thank you. One moment, please. I'm going to have the officers place their appearance on the record. When I call your name, please unmute. Name and badge number. Officer Hill.
Good morning, Sergeant William Hill, badge S1042.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett. I think you're muted, Corporal Bennett. I just need your name and badge number for the record. I just need your appearance, please, Corporal Bennett. Name and badge number.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Officer McClure.
Officer McClure, badge number 2568.
Thank you. Officer Ayala.
Officer Ayala, badge number 125.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Arm, what are we doing here today?
Judge, there's an offer of the people. My client would plead guilty to 1, failure to display, 1, allowing an unlicensed driver, and 2, improper plates. The balance will be dismissed. She's been advised of her rights and would like to accept the offer.
Thank you. Are there specific ticket numbers assigned to these charges that you're resolving?
Prosecutor said the FTD would be Officer Bennett's case. The line would be Officer Ayala's case. Improper plates would be Officer Hill and Officer Birdie.
Yeah, Officer Burley. Okay. What happened to Officer Burley? Officer
I'm right
Burley?
here, Your Honor.
Thank you. Would
Yeah,
you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Officer Burley, badge 454, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay. Madam Clerk, did you get that? Bennett on the FTD, Ayala on the allowing, Hill on the improper plate, and Burley on an improper plate.
Yes.
Ms. Terry, is that consistent with your understanding? You're to be pleading guilty to 4 counts. Everything else would be dismissed?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I guess, yeah.
All right, well, we'll ask you individually about the cases. Did anyone promise you anything? I'm sorry, did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial, the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on Officer Bennett's failure to display ticket?
For Officer Bennett, November 9th, 2020, Chicago and Southfield.
Thank you. Officer Bennett, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, I'm sorry, not Officer Bennett, Ms. Terry, is it true that on the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit, and when Corporal Bennett asked you for a valid license, you were unable to provide one? Oh, here's, okay, she must have got knocked off. Who's the officer in the courtroom, please? Good morning.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896.
Hey, Corporal Rule. Okay. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Are you here on this matter too?
Yes.
Okay, just go ahead. Thank you. Just go ahead and state your name for the record.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896. Detroit
Thank
Police.
you. All right, thank you. All right. You can feel free to have a seat if you like. Okay, Ms. Terry, can you hear me now?
Yes, I apologize. My phone clicked out.
That's okay. Madam Clerk, one more time on Corporal Bennett's failure to display, please.
November 9th, 2020, Chicago and Southfield Service Drive.
Ms. Terry, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to Corporal Bennett upon his request?
No, I don't have a license. That's true.
Thank you. So you're not able to provide a valid license. Thank you. All right. May I have a date and location as to Officer Ayala's ticket, please, Madam Clerk?
Officer Ayala, October 4th, 2024, Myers and Westfield.
Ms. Terry, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Thank you. May I have a date and location on Dr. Hill's ticket for improper plate, please?
For Hill, January 16th, 2021, Braille and Orange Line.
All right. Is it true, ma'am, that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. And then may I have a date and location on Officer Burley's ticket, please?
For Burley, November 30th, 2024, Joy and Greenfield.
Thank you. Ms. Terry, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fine on each of these tickets, ma'am, is $190. So you've got 190 times 4. I did not hear Attorney Arm there's just 4, is that correct? These 4?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all others are dismissed pursuant to the plea. So we've got 190 times 4. Ms. Terry, I don't know if you're working or if you need to request community service or anything like that, but if you do, now would be the time to do so.
Would I be able to request community service?
Yes, if you'd like to get community service, I can do that for you. Give me just a minute to give you some information.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll send her the chat requesting her phone number.
Okay. Madam Clerk is sending you a chat. You need to send her your phone number in response, okay?
Sending the chat through where?
Through Zoom. So just keep an eye on your thing and you'll see something come up that you have a chat.
Okay.
All right, and this is going to amount to 50 hours of community service.
My phone not letting me do nothing.
Just a minute. Do you not see the chat?
Yeah, I see the chat. It's just my phone is tweaking. it's not letting me text nothing. Like it's not letting me do nothing.
Here, we'll give you, Madam Clerk, can you give her the number to the courtroom so she can call you once we're off?
Yes.
Okay,
Are you
go ahead,
ready?
Madam Clerk. And Ms. Terry, take down this number.
Okay.
It's 313-965-2405.
All right. And then she needs to call as well for placement, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I can give her that phone number when she calls.
Okay, so give us about 5 minutes and then give call to 965-2405. And that way we'll give you the information you need to call them to get community service placement, okay? And then what I'll do is I will set a review in 90 days so that we can make sure your community service has been completed. That 90-day date is going to be June 11th. So June 11th at 8:35 a.m. I want you to come back and see me for a review, okay?
At what time again?
June 11th, 8:35 a.m. Ms. Horn, I see you're in the courtroom. Did you want to go on the record here on the Terry matter?
No, Your Honor, I'm good. Thank you so much.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, looks like we have Mr. Putek and Mr. Threat left to deal with. Ms. Terry, have a great day. The clerk will be waiting for your call. Officers, thank you for your appearance this morning.
One more question.
Thank you, Attorney Arm, for handling this. Yes, Ms. Terry.
So I wouldn't have to pay. So it would just be them 4 tickets for me to go to community service for.
Yeah, you only have 4 tickets now, okay? And it amounts to about $800, but I'm giving you 50 hours of community service that you can do instead. So
Okay.
when you come back in 90 days, I'm going to just want to see that you've, made significant progress, at least on your community service, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, guys, what do we have left here?
We could do Mr. Putek.
Ready on Putek? Okay, very good. Let's bring him out. Mark Putek, return to main session, please. Mark Putek, return to main session, please. Thank you. Good morning again. Madam Clerk, when you're ready, would you please call the Putek matter?
Okay. For the 2 pending cases, SP 179-8934, count 2, U 688-87224, and for the cases already guilty plea entered, U 662-23823, U 714-91625, U 688-87124, and SP 168-1646, count 1.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Putek, please state your name for the record.
Mark Anthony Putek II.
Thank you. Mr. Arm?
Daniel Arm, on behalf of Mr. Putek. Judge, in my docket, there were 4 cases for review and 1 case outstanding.
Okay.
City prosecutor is willing to dismiss the outstanding case, but I don't know about any second outstanding case.
Okay, well, she's in the room with us. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm pulling up the register of actions here because these have gotten a little bit confusing this morning. These are ones that are sent back from Judge Holmes.
Okay.
So it looks like we're showing that he had somewhere he entered guilty pleas and that we have 2 on the docket for today, according to Madam Clerk, or 2 open matters.
And Your Honor, what are those outstanding matters?
I see 2 on my docket as well, so let me tell you. Or you can go ahead, Madam Clerk, if you have them up.
1 is possession of hypodermic syringe or needle, and the second one is narcotic and drug related violation.
Okay, the people are willing to dismiss those 2, and he handled the ones that he's pled on. Is he currently in custody?
Yes, he's in the jail.
Understood, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Putek, how long have you been there at the jail?
Like 11 months.
And that was under sentence from Judge Holmes?
Yeah.
All right. And you said there were 4 cases, Madam Clerk?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Is there a deputy in the room with you?
That. Who's asking for it? He's right here.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Can you tell me how long, do you know how long Mr. Putek has been in custody?
One moment, yeah.
Thank you. I don't need an exact number of days. If you can just tell me how many months. He says 11. I just want to make sure that's accurate. You guys are muted at the jail. And that's okay if you're trying to figure stuff out, just so you know you're muted.
Yeah, Judge, just trying to figure stuff out here. Just give us one moment if you don't mind, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mhm. Okay, we'll be with Mr. Thread in just a moment.
Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
So when he got referred from Judge Holmes,
Yes.
he got booked in September of last year.
Okay.
He violated his treatment conditions like 4 times.
Okay.
You know, so he was back and forth 4 times. So he did about 5 months back and forth.
Just as last.
You know, on this last time, he did about 3 months.
Okay. All right.
This last time.
Okay, and they can be combined in terms of the time
Yeah.
served sentence that he's going to get. So he can combine those since they're all on those charges. Okay.
I think it would be safe to say.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
All right. Again, want to make sure the record is clear here. Madam Clerk, go ahead and recall the Putek matters, please.
Okay. Or for 2 pending, U 688-87224, SP 179-8934, count 1. For the guilty pleas already entered, U 662-23823, U 714-91625, U 688-87124, and SP 168-1646, count 1.
Thank you. All right. These are all City versus Mark Putek, which we have counsel working on as well, Mr. Arm. This case was referred back from Judge Holmes after removing Mr. Putek from her treatment court program due to alleged violations of the requirements there. As such, this court is left to basically impose a sentence on the 4 charges that Mr. Putek already pled guilty to in front of Judge Holmes. In addition to that, we have 2 pending matters on the docket for today. So we'll begin with the two pending matters. Attorney Arm, you have had discussions with Ms. Horn, and Ms. Horn has also chimed in this morning. Those two pending matters are being dismissed pursuant to the proceedings today. Is that correct?
That is correct, Judge.
All right. And then you, this court needs to impose sentence, so we'll go ahead and get that done. Mr. Putak, your name one more time for the record.
Mark Anthony Putek II.
Thank you. What I am going to do, Mr. Putak, is I am going to impose a sentence of on your U tickets. And did the SP ticket come from Judge Holmes as well, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay. So then on all three tickets, well, on your U tickets, the court will impose. So on each of the U tickets, the court's going to impose a sentence of 9 months with credit for time served. 9 months credit time served. Okay, so you won't have any more time to do on those. Those are each imposed at 9 months. Run concurrently. Okay, so that means just 9 months altogether. Then on the SP ticket, court is going to impose sentence of 30 days with credit for time served, run concurrently with the U tickets. So there's no more time to be served on these tickets, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
God bless.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye-bye. Okay, and then we have Mr. Threat, who I understand is going to be pleading guilty to 3 counts of improper plates and 3 counts of blockading traffic. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready to call that matter. What are we set for with Mr. Threat today? Was this trial?
Your Honor, if I may, Gerald Ferry, House Counsel, no, Your Honor, pretrial.
Okay, I'm looking at all of them now. So I have ticket number SP 173-86651 and all other matters on today's docket related to City versus Joshua Threat. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Gerald Ferry, House Counsel, P44630, on behalf of Joshua Threat. Mr. Threat, please unmute, state your name.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, Mr. Threat, unmute.
Joshua Threat.
Thank you.
If I may, Your Honor, I spoke with the city attorney. At this time, Mr. Threat's prepared to waive his rights. He would like to enter a plea of guilty to 3 amended charges of improper plate. If the court, I could name the tickets if the court would like.
Yes, please go ahead. Just the last 4 digits at least.
And that would be an improper plate on ticket ending in 4291. And there would also be an amended improper plate on ticket ending in 6151. And one more second. And also an amended improper plate on ticket ending in 5063.
Okay, and the original charge is to ticket 4291?
No insurance.
And as to 6151?
No insurance.
And as to 5063?
No insurance.
Thank you. And then you have ticket numbers on the blockading?
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me, Your Honor. Also, Mr. Threat will be entering a plea of responsible in ticket ending in 6471 to an amended charge of blockading traffic.
Okay.
He will also be entering a plea of responsible in ticket ending in 1751 to a charge of blockading traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Also, ticket ending in 6531 to an amended charge of blockading traffic. In exchange for those pleas, the remaining matters are to be dismissed.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Threat, does all of that sound familiar to you?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, okay. All right, looks like you got yourself a good deal, and I think that's because you got your license together, so that's great.
Yeah,
We were able to
yes,
find that out, right? I
yes,
remember you. I think I told you that before. Whatever you can do before you get back here, do it.
yeah, yeah.
All right. So, we've got 3 counts of improper plate, and then 3 counts of blockading. Everything else would be dismissed. That's all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
Not at all.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel inform you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
It's the truth.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on 4291, please?
Okay, one moment, please.
Okay.
Out of tickets.
Attorney Ferry, if you're looking at tickets and have the date and location, feel free to let me know.
Your Honor,
okay, we'll wait
unfortunately,
for
I
Madam
just
Clerk.
have the register of actions.
Me
I
too.
don't have a lot of detail.
Okay, so do I. All right, thank you. We shall wait for Madam Clerk. Mr. Phillips, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
All right, so I know you were here earlier and then we couldn't find you when the attorney was looking for you. I'm trying to see what you have on the docket for today. License and insurance. We'll run an SOS in just a minute.
I don't see a ticket ending in that number.
Oh, and 6471?
Okay, 6471.
Yeah.
6471. This is the disregard traffic control
Oh,
device.
I'm sorry. It was 4291 that I need. You don't see a ticket ending in 4291?
Oh,
No,
Your
that
Honor,
belongs to Keisha Thornton.
I apologize, Judge. Your court clerk is right, and I misread that because Miss Thornton was right above Mr. Threat. Could I change that ticket, Your Honor, to ticket ending in 0802?
Okay.
That is also a no insurance ticket.
All right.
I
And were the
apologize.
other ones correct? 6151 and 5063?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, so we've got 0802, 6151, and 5063.
Okay.
Mr. Phillips, I'll be with you in just a moment. I know you're waiting.
0802, April 11th, 2021, Livernois and Burlingame.
Thank you, Mr. Threat. Is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, as to 6151, please.
Six 6151, August 20th, 2024, Schaefer and Joy.
Thank you. Mr. Threat, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And then as to 5063, Madam Clerk?
$5063, March 21, 2022, out of drive in Linden.
Mr. Threat, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Then we have 3 more tickets where you're entering responsible or admissions of responsibility to civil infractions. Those 3 are blockading traffic. So ticket 6471, you are admitting to blockading traffic. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And in 1751, you are also admitting to blockading traffic.
Yes, ma'am.
And in 6531, you are also admitting to blockading traffic.
Yes, ma'am.
Attorney Fair, are you satisfied as to all of these?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, now, Mr. Threat, These are going to add up. So if you need to ask me for community service or anything like that, let me know. On tickets zero, I'm setting them as low as I can. So on ticket number 0802, that one's 190. On 6151, that one's 190. And then 5063, that one is 190. And then the blockading is set by statute. Each of those are set at 175, and you've got 3 of those. Okay, so you've got 3 fines of 190, 3 fines of 175.
Okay.
Now, if you're planning to pay them, what I'll do is I'll give you 90 days to do one of 2 things, and that is get them paid off in full, or in the alternative, see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse, ask them for a long-term payment plan, and at least give them the down payment for the payment plan within the 90 days. All of this will stay intact once you get on your payment plan. Okay. But if you don't, then you lose this deal and you've got quite a good one.
I got you. I got you. I got
All right.
you.
And then if you need to ask me for community service in lieu of fines, you can do that at this time.
I don't mind doing community service if it's available.
Okay. All right. So let me add that up for you.
And Mr. Threat, this is the city prosecutor. Slow down, be safe, and stay under the radar. Because
Yes,
having a
ma'am.
license and you got it with these cases and you still got your license, protect
I know,
your
right?
license.
Yeah, for sure.
Protect your license. Because there's a lot of people out here with no L's.
For sure.
I told him, I think we were all surprised by that and pleasantly surprised. I think that made you happy and everybody else. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this comes to actually a little over almost $1,100, over $1,000. So let's get your community service added up here.
Okay. And after today, I won't have no traffic warrants.
Nothing. You'll be done with 36.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Now I can't speak to other jurisdictions, but at least for Detroit as to 36,
Okay.
you're done. Okay. All right. So this comes out to a total of 73 hours of community service.
Okay.
You know what? I'll make it 72 because the math is going to get really difficult at 73. So 72 hours of community service. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Madam Clerk is going to begin a chat with you so that you can send her your phone number.
Okay.
Just watch for that. Madam Clerk, could you send Mr. Threat a chat? And then she needs your phone number, and then she's going to give you a number to call for community service placement as well.
Okay.
And then I'm going to give you a date to come back and just check in with me in 90 days and make sure you're on track for trying to get your community service all done.
Gotcha.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, very good. Would you please give Mr. Threat the number that he should call for placement?
313.
313. Let's see. Let me write it down real quick. 313.
965.
965.
8130.
965. 8130. Cool.
And wait until after Tuesday to call them.
Okay. Is it a specific time? Any specific time?
I mean, just
We're
regular
open.
work hours. We're just trying to get everything updated in the system so they don't think you're doing community service on all the tickets. That's all.
Oh, okay, cool. That's okay.
All right.
That's fine.
So then I'm going to ask you to come back, Zoom in to see me on June 11th at 8:30 for a review. We'll just review and just take a look at how your community service is going. Okay.
Cool.
All right. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.
You as well. Thank you.
Bye. Okay. Let's try to deal with Mr. Phillips because I know you're trying to show me something. Is that your insurance?
This is my permit that I got.
Okay.
And
all right.
They haven't seen my license yet.
Okay.
So
you have you have a license ticket, and then you have, I believe, an insurance ticket too.
I know, as far as my insurance, I actually had my insurance, but it was outdated, and
I was having financial problems and I just couldn't get a chance to update it. But I did have insurance, but it was just outdated.
So was it
I didn't get it.
expired?
Yes, it was expired.
Okay. All right. So here's what I will do since you're still waiting. You don't have insurance now, right? Or you do? You were just holding something up to the screen again.
This is my old insurance that I had that just expired last month.
So are you saying your insurance was good when you were pulled over? You had insurance?
No, actually it wasn't.
Okay. All right.
It was
Then
just
stop.
expired. It just
Okay.
expired a couple weeks before I got
Okay. All right.
ticket.
So then what I'm going to do with you, so you have time to get the license in the mail. So you have your full license and you have some time to get some insurance if you want to try to do that. Once you have license in hand, I'm going to give you a date to come back. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to have you come back March 27th at 8:35.
March 27th.
Yep. And that way, if you're able to get insurance by then, we'll have a different kind of conversation. It doesn't matter, doesn't mean don't come to court. We'll get it worked out one way or another. But if you have insurance when you come back, then it'll work out a little better.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we'll see you back then. Okay.
So March 27th, same time, 8:30?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Good morning, Ms. Payne.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good. What time were you scheduled for?
Oh my God. I think it was 8. My
Okay.
internet was messing up. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Let me just take a look and see what you're here for and how easy it is to deal with, because that was literally our last case. So.
And Ms. Payne, I understand, I stayed home because of the wind and I was hoping that I would be able to continue with hearings this morning because I wasn't sure if I was gonna have power. So I get it.
I appreciate it.
Is Ms. Payne a late addition? I'm not seeing her on my docket. Am I missing it? Oh, there she is. Okay. So you've got a license and a seat belt.
She also has other matters and warrant status.
Oh, okay. So then probably what we'll need to do, Ms. Payne, is we're going to call your cases. We're going to give you a date to come back so we can consolidate all of your cases, right? The gentleman that you just saw had like 33 cases and he got out of here with 6.
Right.
So it helps to have them all put together when you come to court. Okay. So we're going to give you a new date so we can get all your cases lined up together. And if they're insurance and license cases, if you're working your way towards getting something done there, then keep doing that, okay, until you get to your next court date.
Okay.
All right, so this for the record is ticket number SX 465-17601 and 602. No operator's license and a seatbelt ticket. You know, seatbelt ticket is about as good as it gets if you got to come to traffic courts. No point cheapest ticket that exists. But that license ticket, if you're working on that, you'll have a little bit more time to work on license. Do we have like registration insurance tickets, Madam Clerk? At any rate, if you do and you're working on those things, you'll have a little bit more time to work on those. Okay.
Like license and no insurance.
Just license and insurance. Okay. Ms. Payne?
So what I should do is like make arrangements with 36 and just like start paying or something, make a payment?
No, you shouldn't do that.
Okay.
So when you pay a ticket, it's recognized as an admission of guilt. So don't pay tickets until we're done with court. Okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I am going to do though is I'm going to give you a date to come back so that we can go ahead and get everything running together. It'll be in a couple of weeks. So we'll do March 27th.
Same time.
Yep, same time on March 27th. Okay. All right. Yep, at 8:35 a.m. So if you've got, if you're working on insurance or getting your license back, and so that you don't need to pay a ticket, if there's a way to do it without paying tickets, then yes. But if not, just come back in 2 weeks and then we'll deal with all of the cases at once. Okay.
Sounds good.
Court will set aside any and all warrants associated with Ms. Payne, and we will see you back on the 27th.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. All right. Have a good day. Good weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you all for all of your hard work today.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. Sorry everybody's struggling with the wind out there.
Okay, thank you.
I think we've got all the dates, but if you guys have dates or anything to give Madam Clerk, please go ahead and do that. Send them to her by email.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I'll dip out. Okay.
All right, Ms. Horn,
Let-
thanks
let
so
me-
much for today.
I'm checking, I don't believe I have had any dates. The only date I have was a bench trial, and I think that went on the record.
It did. Yep. So
Okay.
you're good. Thank you,
So,
Attorney Farrell.
thank you. You're welcome, Your Honor. You and your staff once again. Take
Same.
care. Thank you.
All right. All right, and Mr. Arm's gone. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Madam Clerk, I'm gonna give you a call in just a few. We got a couple of things I need to work on with you.
Okay,
Okay. Thanks, everybody, for your work today. Have a great weekend.
okay, you